RTW stalls operating without the necessary permits have been padlocked by the BIR. The Revenue Office also wants the owner of a mall in Tutuban, Manila to explain why it allowed the unregistered stalls to operate in their establishment. This report.
The Bureau of Internal Revenue has ordered the closure of 3 ready-to-wear clothes stalls in Manila. These RTW stalls, according to BIR Revenue Region 6 Director Araceli Francisco, did not register with BIR, making it difficult to determine its tax obligation.
Hindi natin maka-quantify kasi nga hindi siya rehistrado. Therefore, kung hindi siya rehistrado, wala siyang resibo. Hindi rin siya nag-profile kasi hindi siya registered establishment. So ito, malaking violation to kasi parang illegal pursuit of business kasi under the law, bago ka magnegosyo, mag-rehistro ka sa City Hall at sa BIR. Wala siyang rehistro as far as the BIR is concerned. So, malaking violation yun.
Try siya mga bandang March. Then inulit namin lately na laman namin na register pa rin siya. Pero tuloy yung negosyo.
The owner of these stalls may face charges for operating a business without acquiring permit from the government. The owner of the Tutuban Mall, meanwhile, will be questioned by the agency why it allowed unregistered businesses.
Now we are the owners of these establishments are the ones responsible.
Bago nila tanggapin ng isang tenant, sigurado nila na i-register dyan. Kasi bakit po, hindi mo ba sa hanapan ng mga permits, registration sa BIR? Kasi matitinda nga sa rito eh. Kaya dapat sana kung dapat may CSR yung kumpanya, corporate social responsibility na i-situate na registered naman dapat yung mga tenants nila dito sa building.
Due to unscrupulous businesses, the agency will intensify its tax campaign, especially that people will flock malls and stores in time for Christmas.
Sa region ng Manila, ganito mostly mga taxpayers namin. Wala kaming masyadong malalaki. Madaming maliliit na taxpayers. Hindi mo sasabing maliit. Malaki ang mga kinikita nila. Ito nga nabigla ko. Pero naman nag-expand pa siya. Ang talang siguro mga after 2 weeks, ikakandado din namin yung isa.
Kaya tuloy-tuloy na may mapping namin tsaka yung paghahanap ng mga ganyan. Actually ngayon yung ito, bukod sa rito, meron pa kaming 2 na isasaban. And tinitingnan ko pa, baka mga kasunod na rin yan, may mga surveillance pa rin kaming ginagawa.